Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear little learners. I'm your teacher, Miss Tanzila, and we are now in English class. The topic for today lecture is missing letter. Today we are going to fill the missing letter with uppercase letters. We will fill the missing letter, but we are going to use in this lecture only uppercase letters. So let's come with me to start our today lecture. Missing letter. Fill in the blanks with the correct letter. There are some letters mentioned and some are missing. So what we will do in today lecture, we will fill that missing letter and we will fill it correctly. All of you know your alphabets both in uppercase and in lowercase. You people have learned the letters so many times, so you can do it easily. So let's start. The first letter is here A. The first letter is A. So what will come after A? The letter after A is C. No, the letter after A is B. Okay, and this is the letter B. A and B. Now 1, 2, 3. Continuously 3 letters are missing, and after 3 we have a letter F. The letter F is mentioned, but before the letter F, 3 letters are missing. So what you will do now? Now we have A and B, but after B, what will come after B? What is the letter after B? The letter after B is D. Is the letter after B is D? No, the letter after B is C. Is it the correct letter C? Yes, this is a letter C. It is a letter C, okay? Now we have A, B, C. But after C, again the next letter is missing. So what is the next letter after C? It is D. Let's check out. It is, yes, it is D. The letter after C is D. Okay? A, B, C, and D. Understood? How you will fill the missing letters? Now, again, we have a missing letter after D. So what is the next letter after D? The next letter after D is F. No, F is this one and it is already mentioned. We need to fill the letter after D. So the letter after D is E. Okay, the letter after D is E. Now we have fill the missing letter from A to F. Now after F again we have 3 missing letters. So what will come after F? The next letter after F is, what is the next letter after F? The next letter after F is, what is the next letter? It is G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay. Now, again, we have 2 missing letters. We have 2 missing letters. The next letter after G is, what is the next letter after G? The next letter after G is H. Okay. The next letter after G is H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Understood? Now, again, after H, we have a missing letter. What is the missing letter after H? The next letter after H is J. No, this one is J. The next letter after J is I. Okay. The next letter after J is I. Now again we have filled correctly the missing letter from F to J, which is G, H, I and J. Okay. Now again we have a missing letters between J and P. How many letters we have missing this time? One, two, three, four, five. We have total five missing letter. So let's come to fill it one by one correctly. The next letter after J is, the next letter after J is, what is the next letter? K. Okay. The next letter after J is K. And what is the next letter after K? The next letter after K is L. L. Okay. The next letter after K is L. Now, what will come after L? The letter after L is, what is the letter after L? The letter after L is M. Okay. Now, we have filled the three letters after J and the remaining is two letter. So, fill it. Now you can do it. What will be the next letter after M? The next letter after M is N. Okay. The next letter after M is N. Now, what will come after N? What is the next letter after N? The next letter after N is O. Well done. Now you have filled the missing letter from A to P correctly. So revise it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, and P. Okay. Now we have filled the missing letters from A to P and we are continuing now after P. Between the P and T, we have total three letters missing. After P, the next mentioned letter is T, but there are three letters missing. So you have to fill it correctly. What will come after P? The next letter after P is which one? It is Q. Let's check out. Yes, it is Q. The next letter after P is Q. Understood? Now, again, we have a missing letter after Q. What will come after Q? What is the next letter after Q? The next letter after Q is S. Let's check out. No, it is R. It is R. The next letter after Q is R. Okay. The next letter after Q is R. Now after R, again we have a missing letter. After R, we have a missing letter again. Let's check out what is that missing letter. It is S. The next letter after R is S. And we have already a given letter after S, which is T. Now again we have a missing letter from T to Z. How many letter we have missing? One, two, three, four, five. Again we have five missing letters. Five missing letters. So let's fill it. What will come after T? It is the letter U. Letter U. The next letter after T is U. Okay. Now let's fill the next letter after U. What will come after U? The next letter after U is, what is the next letter after U? It is W. No, let's check out what is the next letter. It is V. The next letter after U is V. But what will come after V? The next letter after V is W. Okay. S T U V W. Now again we have a missing letter after W. And what is that missing letter? What is this missing letter? It is X. The next letter after W is X. Okay. The next letter after W is X. And now we have just one missing letter left. And what is that? The next letter after X is Y. And after Y, the next letter is mentioned, which is Z. Well done, dear little learners. You have done the missing letter correctly. Now let's revise it, okay? A, and the next letter after A is B, and after B the letter C, and after C the next letter is D, and after D our next letter is E, and after E our next letter is F. Next letter is F, and after F the next letter is G. After G, the letter H. And after H, the letter I. And after I, the letter J. After J, the next letter is K. After K, the next letter is L. And then M. After M, the letter N. And after N, the next letter is O. After O, the next letter is P. And after P, the next letter is Q. And after Q, the next letter is R. And after R, the next letter is S. The next letter after S is T. And after T, the next letter is Q. And after Q, the next letter is V. And after V, the next letter is W. After W, X. And then Y. And then Z. Now you have learned how to fill the missing letter. It's time for homework. What you will do? Fill the missing letter using uppercase letter, okay? Because in today's lecture we have learned how to fill the missing letter using the uppercase alphabets. So some letters are mentioned and some are missing. you have to fill that missing letter correctly. You have learned in today's lecture how you will fill the missing letter. So bye for now. See you soon, inshallah, in the next class.